I swear to God, Olivia jumps down on me.
She likes it. She's like, do it again. Oh, Kieran wanted to get down with her.
Did you want to lay down where she was? Kieran, get Olivia. Get Olivia. You guys are funny. You're funny. Is the light on?
Oops.
Are you going to get her, Kieran? Are you going to get Olivia? Yeah, the light's on. Are you going to get Olivia? Can you get
Maybe
her?
stand up.
Can you get her? You just want to do the end product, get down on the ground. Your light's on. Light's on. Hey, Kieran, look, here's Olivia.
Kieran, get her. Oh. She just...
See if you can pick her up again. I want to see that.
Olivia, you don't even want to stand up.
Here, Kieran, get her.
Kieran. Oh.
Okay, we need to both stand. Ready? Alright. Ready? Ready? Alright.
Go get her.
Get her.
Get her.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, Olivia.
Look what Daddy did to you, Olivia.
That was Kieran, man. Kieran, you're so rough.
Olivia, you okay?
I don't even think you paid attention to that.
I'm gonna get him.
Let Olivia get him.
Get Kieran.
She likes it when...
We need a mat.
Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Running start. Oh.
She's like, do it again, do it again.